Hello and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday, 3rd of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable, which has sort of bounced a touch. You had the services PMI data for the UK, again disappointing, and the market sort of fell back, and I think it's just going to underperform the other majors rather than sort of drop disastrously today, and I think that is sort of the inference that we've got from the reaction to this services PMI. Just dropped back a touch, but just stabilising now. But I think it's likely to now just be an underperformer rather than a complete absolute downside against the dollar on cable. We got that low at 35.50 area from yesterday, and that is initially supportive, but I think ultimately you're sort of back into this whole band of sort of old highs and old lows back from sort of the last quarter of 2017. 34.55 was January low, so that is your next real support that comes in. But you look at this downtrend that's coming through, and it continues to extend lower, and that downtrend currently comes in around sort of the 37.10 area, which was that old key low from March. So there is a band of resistance overhead. 36.55 was that old breakout high, which is now a basis of resistance again. So you've got a sort of an area of sell zone, 36.55 to 37.10. Pretty good one actually as well. Yesterday's reaction high following on from the Fed, 36.65 area. So you can see that there is a basis of resistance there. Momentum indicators remain negatively configured. RSI just ticking up a very slight amount, but within the scope of that downtrend. I think this will be seen as another selling opportunity, as I think that you're going to see further dollar selling pressure. This is a very sharp downtrend, I would add, and ultimately you may start to see that being sort of a consolidation, might start to see that broken, but I think ultimately we're still going to see further downside pressure in due course. Having broken all these trend lines and moving averages, doesn't look great now for cable. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later.